Vimla starts for office every day at 9 a.m. and reaches exactly on time if she drives at her usual speed of 40 kilometers per hour. She is late by 6 minutes if she drives at 35 kilometers per hour. One day, she covers two-thirds of her distance to office in one-third of her usual time to reach office, and then stops for 8 minutes. The speed in kilometers per hour at which she should drive the remaining distance to reach office exactly on time is 27, 28, 26, or 29. So let's solve the question. We are going to use the basic property of time, speed, and distance, and the basic formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time. Now, the distance between her home and office is constant, but the speed and times are different. So we can equate the two speed and time equations with each other, and we will get an equation like this. Distance, which is constant, is equal to S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Let's substitute the values. So we have here 40 into T is equal to 35 into T plus 6. Now it is T plus 6 because she is late by 6 minutes when she drives at 35 kilometers per hour. So now solving this, we can reduce it over here itself. 5 8s are 5 7s are. So we have here 8t is equal to 7t plus 42, which gives us our normal time, that is t, as 42 minutes. So Vimla requires 42 minutes to travel from home to office. Now we can substitute this value of t over here in S1 T1 and get the value of d as well. So d is equal to 40 into 42 upon 60. Now we have to do 42 upon 60 because this is t is in minutes and we require this in hours. So we get the original distance between the home and office of Vimla as 28 kilometers. Now let's go to the final question. It is given that Vimla covers two-thirds of her distance in one-third of her usual time. So her today's time is one-third of her normal time, that is 42. So we get 14 minutes. Now she stops for 8 minutes. So the total time spent by Vimla is 14 plus 8, that is 22 minutes. Now two-third of the distance is already covered. So the remaining distance is one-third of 28. So we will keep it as 28 by 3 itself. Now the final question asked is speed at which Vimla should drive so that the remaining distance is covered and she reaches on exactly on time. So if she has to reach on time, she has only 42 minus 22, that is 20 minutes. Now the remaining distance is 28 by 3. Now we know the formula for speed as distance upon time. So we can have it as 28 by 3 upon time is 20 minutes. So we will have to convert that into hours. So 20 upon 60. So we can reduce it here. 20 threes are 60 and 3 gets cancelled out. So the speed, required speed is 28 kilometers per hour. That's your final answer.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel.